So this is my bee suit before getting cleaned, and this is the accumulation of the junk in 1 year. I got a little bit of propolis here. You can see where I took my hive tool in and out of this pocket a whole lot. And yeah, just, it's dirty. It is dirty. Time to get it cleaned. Hey everyone, my name is Alicia. Welcome to Honey Bee Buzz. Today we're going to show you how to clean your bee suit. Items that you will need are a tub with some water, some Dawn dish detergent. That's really great for breaking down propolis and other materials, and some washing soda. This is actually a homemade laundry detergent, and it's got Fells Naphtha soap and washing soda and borax in it. But just using washing soda is fine. It helps to enhance the power of the soap. Okay, so let's move on to washing our bee suit. We are going to add about 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish detergent to our water. Yes, it's very accurately measured. And I'm going to add at least 1 tablespoon of my laundry detergent in here. And again, you can just use washing soda. It's not a problem. Okay, and we're gonna swirl this around a little bit and get everything mixed in and dissolved. There we go, nice and sudsy. Let's add in our bee suit. Now I do have the option on my bee suit to remove the veil entirely. I just don't want to deal with that, and since I am hand washing it, I don't have to. One less step. We're just gonna agitate it here a little bit, get it kind of soaked in and wet. And then once we're done agitating the suit in the water and making sure that everything is nice and wet, we are going to leave it soaking for about 20 minutes. You can see how dirty the water is already. Holy cow, look how gross that is. Oh my goodness. Look how dirty that is. I found some mildew on my suit that I wasn't aware of. What I'm gonna do is the spot that it's on, we'll see if you can see that in the camera. I am going to spray this area down with a low concentration bleach solution. And if I find more of it, then I will probably do 2 things. Number 1, I'm gonna make sure I start hanging up my suit after I get done with my bee inspections so I don't cause more of this problem. And number 2, I am probably going to, after I'm done washing the suit and rinsing it, I am going to put it in a bleach water solution and soak the whole suit to take care of all the problem areas. All right, I got my bee suit out. I just want to show you the water. Look at this. It's so gross. Well, it's soapy, but it's also gross. There's a lot of dirt in my bee suit. All right, so now we're just going to rinse our bee suit here. Get all the soap off. I might have to rinse it twice. We will see. Oh, it's not bad. Not bad at all. And you may be wondering, why can't I just wash my bee suit in the washing machine? That is a great question. If you have a veil that is removable from your bee suit and it is made of primarily a cloth or cotton material, you could probably get away with washing it in the washing machine. There's probably nothing wrong with that. I would definitely put it on a gentle cycle though. You could also wash this in your bathtub instead of doing this thing in a tub in the middle of your living room. The reason that I am choosing to put this in a tub in the living room is because I don't want to risk putting pieces of propolis or wax down my drain, and then that in the far future getting stuck on stuff and causing other plumbing issues, because those can get really expensive. So I choose to put mine in a tub and just hand wash it, and I don't do it very often. Honestly, since I've had this suit, this is again the first time I've washed it. You probably ought to wash yours 2 or 3 times a season, depending on what you encounter with your bees. If you have a day where the bees are just in a really bad mood and your suit is full of stingers, or you know you've been stung multiple times, it might be a really good idea to wash that pheromone off of your suit so that it's not going to irritate your bees next time you go to inspect them. Another reason to wash your suit is sometimes I've been in situations where the bees are just in a very damp location, and so my suit got muddy. And that's also a really good time to go ahead and wash your suit so it doesn't get stained, it doesn't get mildewy and start to grow mold and create other problems for you. All right, so I think this is all nicely rinsed. I'm just going to squeeze out what I've got here and dump this water, and I'm going to do one more small rinse with some bleach in it. Okay, on the bottle it says that you use 1/3 cup of bleach to an entire load of laundry. So with that in mind, I'm probably gonna only use like 2 tablespoons, maybe 1, because all I want is just gently bleaching the areas that are problematic. And I mean, it's nothing wrong with getting the rest of the suit white too. Okay, so we're going to add the suit in. And I'll probably just let it soak for just a few minutes. Okay, here is the after. And you can see it's not completely clean, but I mean, I think that is a massive improvement. Yeah, because beforehand I didn't even know I had mildew on my bee suit. That's pretty bad. So way better. Nice and clean. Okay everyone, that wraps up this tutorial on how to clean your bee suit. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for learning with me. Have a great day. Hello, Alex. I'm sure the people don't want to see your butt.